Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can create your own course on Skool. So let's get right into it. Now, to create a course, you first need to create a community where that course is going to be based in, and I'm going to show you guys how to do that exactly now. Now, what you're going to need to do is go to your community change screen, or on the Discover Communities page, you can click Create Your Own, but you pretty much just need to click Create a Community wherever you can find it, and then you need to enter a group name as well as your card information to activate your subscription. Keep in mind that it is free for 14 days, and then it's $99 per month, so keep that in mind. Make sure you have the adequate money at hand. But what you can do after that is access your community. I've already made one, and this is what it looks like. And what I do recommend, if you're planning on having a course, courses should be paid for. If you want to keep up the subscription for your course, so just go into settings and go into pricing, and then from pricing you can add a price once you connect to Stripe, and you can give a 7-day free trial if you want to, or you don't need to. You can just set up a subscription if you want to. I do recommend subscriptions as opposed to one-time payments, even though that might be useful. Every time somebody else tries to join the course, you should use the opportunity to keep up with the subscription as much as you can. Now, once you're done with that, you can go into the Classroom tab from your community, and you can click here to add a new course. As you can see, you can select which type of course you want. You can add the course name and the course description. You can set it as open, you can set it as level unlock, buy now, time unlock, or private, and you can change the cover and publish it immediately from here. Once you do that, I'll just name it test and add the test description. You can just click add, and once you do, your course will be created, and here you can edit your course very easily and up to your own specifications. And that is basically it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.